everybody. Morning. Nice. Good morning, everybody. Nice to see you this morning. Pro Trader Mike and the MOJO team. It's around 8:56 in the morning. And it's Tuesday, September 19th. Whoa, September 19th. I had the coffee stuck to the nice little plate for the desk. That's a cool coffee mug. Disney. Got every character in there. There's every single character in Disney on this mug. Pretty cool. And it's a huge mug for coffee. Let me show you what's happening in the pre-market here today, folks. Get the show on the road. Got people coming into the MOJO Day Trade room, about 64 now. We'll have people in the next half hour flooding in. We get up to about 100. And that's about it. So let's check out, see what's hot to trot this morning. Anybody have any comments or questions on YouTube or Twitch or anything, you just put those in there. AGC, Applied Genetic Technologies, is up big today. MDGS, Metagus, up pretty big. Nailed this Clovis yesterday. That was a big move on this one yesterday. On CLVS, Clovis Oncology. And we traded Array yesterday too, was a nice one. And GLYC. And this one we're in this morning is MRTX right here. See it? 1155. Keep an eye on this one, Nabriva Therapeutics. Be a trader. Oh, look at this. Rite Aid's down now. Son of a gun. What's the news on Rite Aid? Check it out. Rite Aid's down, guys. RAD news. Oh, it's news RAD. Walgreens win okay to buy Rite Aid for $4.3 billion. Well, I called it right, but it went down. I called it right. Amazing. It was up at 280 this morning. And unbelievable, I called it. Take a look right here on my Twitter. I sent it out for the newsletter too. Let me find it in the newsletter, that would be better. I can't believe it tanked. I picked it to buy out with Walgreens, and it tanks. No luck. Bad luck, Bradley. Right here. Buyout rumor. Walgreens buy long. 264. I was up nice, man. Can't believe it dumped. Ain't down that much. It's 250, but still. I called the buyout. And that's what it does. Pretty crazy. Oh, it's pretty crazy, I'd say, folks. Wouldn't you say? I'd say. Pretty crazy. Anyway, Caper, $1.45, making a move. The top right here, it came up 2 days in a row. It's got some juice. Caper. Premarket Therapeutics, MRTX, big mover today, NBRV, ADMS, Adams Pharmaceuticals. A lot of these pharmaceutical stocks have been hot in the last couple of days, big time. And usually when that happens, that means speculation's going in and money's pulling out of the strength into speculation. And the market's very resilient, staying up there. MDGS here at 225 is nice. And then PRQR, ACAI, INVA, UDEL, I like this one. To go through 43, UBNT, LINU, there's a big bidder here. We'll see what goes on with this one here today. Let's put it up there. CLSN, PEIX, Pacific Ethanol, like Pacific Ethanol, PEIX. Plug went up huge yesterday. Right here, Plug went up humongous yesterday. Look at the move we seen on Plug yesterday. I don't know if any of you saw this right here. The move that came in when we hit on Plug right there for a little move right there. It's real nice. And Ballard Power. Right here at 460. This one also. Both of these can really be a nice surprise or surprise prize. LABD can also be a nice mover today. We had Net Element, NETE, made a big move for the MOJO yesterday. NETE, we'll keep that one up there. Fold. Amicus Therapeutics, I like this one right here. $14. O'Reilly, NTAP, Cato Security. Some of those security stocks. Did you see my Bitcoin stocks yesterday that I picked for the weekend, over the weekend? BITCF, huge yesterday. And BTSC. And the other one, let me show you my Bitcoin picks. GBTC at 630 it was. GBTC. It's at 745. I picked it at 630. Right there. So that one went up huge. It was already up 111. And this first Bitcoin at 81. And BTSC at 7 cents. If you were in my swing trade newsletter, you got those Bitcoin picks yesterday. And it's all over the news. Everyone's talking about the Bitcoin. You know, it's amazing why Wall Street's doing so good, and it's give you an example. You have the market runs by corporate earnings, and years ago, there's a company like Cisco Systems and all these companies, just as an example. And the earnings for the quarter, the analysts expected And at that time, they were pretty strict. I always thought it was tough for them to beat estimates. Let's say the estimates were 53 cents for the quarter. If they came in at 52 or 50, it would get so smoked. And if it came above, the stock would be good. But the hurdle, this is the hurdle, was so high on it. The analysts had like different opinions. And now, here's now. That was then. And this is now. And this is now. So we'll go in orange. You have right here. This same hurdle is right here. And they only have to do 33 cents. Well, the disappointment in the past is now a positive by like 9 cents. And it's so easy to beat estimates, and all the stocks keep on going up. It's the analysts that are setting these numbers that they keep on beating. It's quite a stupid thing. I've never seen nothing like it before. Never seen nothing like it before. LABD looks good. You just buy it and keep it above 5. You go to 5.30. You got like a 30-cent downside and big upside. It's rigged, I tell ya. Rigged. This is when Trump was elected, look. And he was complaining, the market's up 300 points the day before the big election. That damn PPT and HRC, they should be locked up, I tell you. The market's rigged. I tell you, the market's rigged. And since then, it's gone up 8,000 points. From 15.5, because that night futures were down huge. The market was like at 15,000. And since then, that's what it's done. Right here. See it? This was this was it right here. Let me go to the weekly. Back down here in February, it was 19.6. Amazing. Ever since this gap, see that gap? It never stopped. Amazing. Bazoon's at it again. This stock is nuts. Every day it goes higher. Look at this Bazoon. It's out of its mind. From 25, it's gone straight up from 26 to 40 without stopping. And look how bad it was right there. Amazing. Bazoon. LABD is a good trend trade. This is low risk, high reward kind of thing. Yeah, those Bitcoin stocks were real nice. Got a couple of weed stocks in there too for the group. A couple security stocks, also real nice. You guys? Heinz? You guys live? Let's check it out. Yeah, see, you guys was at 11. Now it's at 14. See that? So they go up, they go down. See, everyone's listening to my LABD on the show right now, so it's starting to set a little bit of high, because it's only got 6,000 shares. But the tick up, people must be listening. NXTD, man. See that? That's my swinger. NXTD cost is $1.65. Bought it on 7/14, July 14th. Let's go back right here. July 14th. Right here at $1.65 cost. See that? Look, and then it did that gap kind of thing. Not there, but it went down. And now look at it at 283. Testing the top of that, which it did once before. Beautiful NXTD, huh? It's a good one. Thank you, yes. Screen share. I was thinking about Snapple the other day. Could you believe that? He just said Snapple. Screen share is in the screen share. Got some good trading going on in that in them demos today. My demo traders. Oh, you see my golf cart? That's my golf cart. Ooh. MOJO golf cart. Nice. I got this nice golf game right here too. I'm bored right here. I could just take out this little golf game right here. And ball over here. Ooh, made it in one shot. You see that? Nice. See that? Oh, I hit the pin. Great. Oh, I'm in the sand bunker. Oh, in the other sand bunker. That's a cool little game for your desk. It's a cool little with the sand traps. Oh, shit. My son already lost one of the other balls. Nice. Got to get out the fan because there's going to be a lot of hand sweating today. The fan right here. I've got these going to be selling in the MOJO store. And these towels. MOJO towels. Yeah, that's called mini golf. Yeah. MOJO version of mini golf. So I got that going. Alright, let's take this guy off the tune. I can't listen to that guy no more. Tonight. Look at my NXTD. It's not even trading volume. Stock's going to be probably heading right up to, is there news on my NXTD? A lot of the warrants traded lately. Yeah, for FitPay to provide payments for B Radius, wholly owned subsidiary, credential management, called FitPay. Here's the news right here. BitPay, wholly owned subsidiary of NXTD, a provider of payment credential and authentication platform service, today announced payment capabilities for B, a biometric payment key fob, which is like a little like FOB, if you know what that is. It's like to get in the gate. It's like an electronic little like thing. They launched B through an Indigo campaign this month. Right here. See, that's a fob right there. Biometric key payment fob. A wearable wallet. Oh, it's like a thing you wear like on your watch. Right there. That's pretty cool. The keychain's the new wallet. It's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, man. That's why Mojo's got that stock. They have a lot of cool components of this guy. They make identification cards for the airport now. So you like, it's going to be unbelievable, the stock NXTD. Awesome. See, they make the Wallet, the next generation smart wallet right here. They do that. And they make the, at the airports. Digital credit card right here. That's NXTD. All right, so what else we got going on? Everything's up a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. Again. This caper's real nice. It's already traded 283. I like this stock. Oh, I can't believe I picked RAD. Nuggets moving now. Gold. Gold spike. I can't believe I picked RAD for a buyout with Walgreens. They got a buyout with Walgreens, and it went lower. Can you believe that? That's unbelievable, dude. It's unbelievable. Good morning, Hopper. Unbelievable. I positioned for a buyout for the two companies before they announced the buyout. It's going up before the buyout, looking hot. Announce the buyout, and it drops. Make no money. Unbelievable, huh? So this caper looks nice, guys. And nuggets spiking. So Nuggy may move today. That's a nugget spike right there. And the caper, the fat blunt caper. Those are the facts. Daily picks. I had MRTX up there, and we'll put up the caper too. on the MOJO watch list. So whoever watches, and I got a whole group of people that pretty much watch that. Doesn't have the best picks like the room, but it actually serves a good purpose. You go to mojodaytrading.com and just click my watch list. Then you have Caper at a 154, 153. What it's at? Yeah, 153. So Caper's 153 and MRTX 145 or 1145. That one was the first one that went up. I like that one too for a move higher. Marijuana stocks, I got those. I got the Bitcoins, picked those yesterday too. I got an email about Rosh Hashanah, that's coming up, huh? My horoscope. Don't spread, oh my gosh, look at my horoscope. And you can relate it to, this is my horoscope today. Don't spread the good news too quickly. As exciting as it is, nothing is confirmed yet. Keep the information under your hat until plane reservations have been made or you have your job offer in writing. Whatever the good news is, it's exactly what the doctor prescribed to give you self-confidence a boost. That was my horoscope for today. Kind of relates to the rad, which I did this morning. I spread the good news about it a little too quickly right here at 280. Said swing pick starting to move, so I didn't read the horoscope yet, but if I did, I should have read that and not put it in. See that? Dude, we have another hurricane coming, that's why the market's going up. NET's up there again. That's our other pick right there, the NETE, which went to 80. See that? Net element. LQMT is also moving, guys. Was up nicely yesterday to 41 cents. May make a break today to 45.50. If it does, it's going to make a really, really nice big move here. This is the LQMT. Also a swing pick right now. So this month, if you saw that, we have levels. Right here, MOJO leaderboard. I'm going to be giving out fidget spinners this month. And I owe a couple out. I'm sending out Jenna. She's in second place, getting a fidget spinner. Gerardo, getting fidget spinner. Alan already got one. Ramey's getting a fidget spinner. Jordy. I think I'm going to do the top 5. So I got Jordy, Ramey, Alan, Gerardo, and Jenna with fidget spinners. Got Trader Maine right underneath with Junior and Zach and Edwin on the leaderboard, and Hodges and Peter and Alpha and Macon and Hopper and Bustafoo and King and Jeff and Gopi and Kelly and MJ for the top, Lewis and Alex and Enrique for the top 25. And that's the MOJO Day Trade Room. Every time you do a post in the chat, you get what's called an XP point. And the more you chat, the more points, XP points you get. She got 955. Alan's got 820, and Gerardo's got 820, and Ramey 5th with 695, and me I moderate, so I actually have the most, 23.95. But I don't count. And that's how the MOJO leaderboard works. Really cool for the chat room. Yeah, this is cool. I like that. If you're stressed, you do the fidget spinner, but if you're really stressed, you use the ceiling fan. So funny. So we'll see what happens today. Let me shut the TV off. And what time is it? 9:26. All right, we're going to get ready for the open. Got a lot of good stocks happening right here. Hertz is going by. That's on Jenna's watch list. Off the bottom bouncer. Udell. New one's up there, INVA. NXTD. Alright. We'll keep a good eye out. UQM. Interesting. Little one right up here. UQM. And what else we got? Well, let's look at UV. 250. It dropped back down. It was up at last time I looked was 70 and whatever, 75. Pretty much if the stock's not up by the end of the day, and I think there's an FOMC meeting tomorrow. If it doesn't go up, it pretty much it's abandoned. Even if even if there's bad news and the market goes down, it still doesn't react. So you just have to stick with the other ones. LABD. I think it's going to do a split. Once it does, it'll get some more activity. But DWT, big mover. UWT. AAOI, 7 points for us yesterday practically. AMD was a good mover. MRTX right here. This is the only pick that I put out here this morning that I like. With Caper and LABD. Is this MRTX. Trump to talk at the UN. Cool. May make it go higher. The market. NBRV. See, this is the MRTX traded 48 million and then 8 million. It's already traded a half. This is the stock today. Harmony at 365 too. I'll put it up on the watch list and then I'll end the show. I'll give you a nice mojo show on what we traded, how we traded, and how we made money with what I was talking about this morning in the mojo room. And we'll get that going for everybody. Until then, peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. I'll see you later.